So, like, what challenges did you face?
Bhai, the headache that it was. Finding the right people, finding the right formulation, getting the formula right, getting the colors that I wanted. Oh my god, I can't.
So, why did you choose civil services? Like, was it your family's pressure?
No pressure, but my dad really wanted me to try. But that was not the reason why I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to do it because I didn't want to do it. मेरा मन ही नहीं था.
When did you think of starting a beauty brand?
I think everybody knew, except me.
Let's move forward.
My father said, बेटा मुझे बताओ तुम्हें क्या करना है. पापा ये डन एकदम.
ये रहा मेरा plan.
एकदम करोड़पति बन जाऊंगी मैं तो. हाँ पापा.
Hello and welcome to the first episode of Why So Serious.
So for all of you who don't know who we are or don't know what this is, we are Sheer Beauty and we are a beauty brand. And this is our first ever episode of our first ever podcast, which is called Why So Serious.
So you might be wondering, what can we expect from this podcast?
Nothing. No, I mean not nothing, but I think everything. Oh, by the way, my name is Varshika and I'm the founder of Sheer Beauty.
And I'm Anjali, I'm the content head of Sheer Beauty.
And we'll mostly be the ones blabbering here. So enjoy!
So this is our first podcast, so we'll start from the very beginning. So Varshika, let's start.
Okay.
So you are 24.
Yes.
When did you think of starting a beauty brand?
So, to be honest, I've always wanted to start a beauty brand. I think that was something that a lot of people expected out of me because I've always been into makeup. So everybody, I think, kind of already expected it since I was a teenager कि मैं makeup brand ही शुरू करूँगी और I'll do something in makeup. Maybe I'll become a makeup artist or maybe something related to makeup, but in this field only.
Okay.
And I think everybody knew except me. So I had no idea that I wanted to do this, but everybody else had an idea that I wanted to do this. And this I've been told after I thought of starting Sheer. So very interesting actually.
Okay. So like what challenges did you face? Because I think you are a very youngster and starting a makeup brand is, I don't think it's very easy for us. So like what are the challenges you faced?
I think when it comes to starting a brand, it becomes very difficult for a person who does not come A from a business family and B from a family that already has a lot of knowledge about doing startups or about having a startup. So I don't come from a business family at all, and it became even more difficult for me to think of starting a business. My entire family was like, why are you doing this? Like, you know, this is not for you. I don't know, we don't know how you'll be able to do it. Of course, they've been extremely supportive, but at the same time, everybody was, I think, kind of scared कि करोगे कैसे? क्योंकि घर में किसी ने करा नहीं है, and then it's like, it's a whole new territory. So that was a big challenge, but coming to the actual brand bit of challenge was finding the right people. And I think the situation that I was coming out of before starting Sheer, it led me to hurry up a lot. And I feel like that is a mistake a lot of people tend to make. I hurried up a lot कि जल्दी launch करना है, 3 महीने में launch करना है, 4 महीने में brand launch करना है. And उसकी वजह से I think I did make a lot of mistakes, which now that I look back, I could have avoided. But again, when you don't have somebody to guide you through it, it's all trial and test and trial and error and all of those kind of things. So that is, I think, that was a big challenge.
You talk a lot about self-love, mental health. Like, why do you relate makeup with self-love?
So I have had major issues with anxiety. I think as long as I can remember, जब से मेरे को याद है, मेरे को anxiety issues होते थे, अभी भी होते हैं, और panic attacks and body image issues. I think these are some things that have never really left me. That never, I don't know if they will leave me. भगवान करे हट जाए, but अभी तो नहीं हट रहा है. तो before starting Sheer, I was preparing for the civil services. So after I did my college में ही शुरू कर दिया था, and I started preparing for civil services, and that really like kick-started my anxiety journey. No journey, just anxiety attacks on anxiety attacks on anxiety attacks. And 2 years of continuous anxiety attacks, of continuously thinking that, you know, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा, maybe this is not for me, or I'm only supposed to do this, I'm stuck in this, whatever. The day that I decided that I no longer want to do this, I felt like a sense of relief. And वो 2 साल के बीच में जब मैं prepare भी करी थी, तो makeup was my escape. Like waking up at literally 3 a.m., 4 a.m. after an anxiety attack, doing my makeup, रो रही हूँ मैं और makeup कर रही हूँ मैं, क्योंकि अच्छा लगता था. तो मुझे बहुत ही I think
therapeutic लगता होगा.
I think I found a lot of happiness in that small pocket of moment where I would do my makeup. And so I thought कि, you know, these two things are not away from each other. These are very much interrelated, and if we don't talk about it more, then you know, then what's the point? And obviously मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जिनके लिए ये होता है. So why not just talk about it, because it's a thing that people stigmatize a lot versus a thing that people standardize a lot. कि मतलब beauty standards हो जाते हैं, और अगर आप anxiety के बारे में बात करो तो आप stigmatize हो जाते हो. इनको साथ में ले आओ, standard तोड़ो, stigma हटाओ, साथ में लेके बात करो. So I think that is something that I really want to do, and I'm trying to do.
So many makeup brands, like, they don't offer shades like ours. So what was your idea behind the lip shades, colors, and everything about like the product development?
So obviously I see a lot of other brands having a much wider shade range. हमसे बहुत different है, उनकी बहुत अच्छी कह लो, जो भी कह लो, बहुत मतलब inclusive है, सब कुछ है. And so when I was like trying to create a lipstick or its shades, the basic idea was कि अगर आप देखोगे हमारे shades ना divided हैं, तो बहुत ज़्यादा light है, फिर आप 2 थोड़े से light to medium skin tone में आ जाओगे, फिर 2 medium to dark में आ जाओगे, और फिर आप आओगे जो एक reds हैं, फिर हमारे pinks भी ऐसे ही divided है. So the 2 lightest shades, the idea behind creating it was, बहुत लोग कहते हैं यार ये बहुत light है, ये किसके ऊपर अच्छा लगेगा,
ये इतने fair लोगों पे अच्छा लगेगा, हमें क्या करना है,
इतने fair लोगों पे अच्छा लगेगा, आपने क्यों launch करा है, what is it,
we get comments like that.
बहुत ज़्यादा लोग पूछते हैं कि यार ये तो बहुत light है, बहुत light है. But the idea was to not launch it to use it as is. When I was launching this, I wanted to create a शेड और 2 शेड्स जिनको आप बहुत ही मल्टीपर्पज तरीके से यूज कर सको. द आइडिया बिहाइंड कॉन्फिडेंट एंड वर्दी टू नॉट जस्ट उठा और लगा लिया. आई एम अ पर्सन जो अपने लिपस्टिक्स को हमेशा मिक्स करता है. लाइक आई लाइक मिक्सिंग एंड मैचिंग, आई लाइक मेकिंग न्यू शेड्स, एंड आई ऑलवेज फील लाइक लेयरिंग लिपस्टिक्स इज समथिंग दैट इफ यू आर अ मेकअप लवर यू विल डू. कोई भी ऐसे उठा के एक शेड नहीं लगा लेता, मतलब पर्सनली मैं तो नहीं करती हूँ.
And you get a variety of shades यार, तो mix करो.
So the idea behind launching those very very light shades was to make it multi-purpose. मतलब आप उन 2 shades को लेकर आप और शेड्स बना सकते हो, किसी बहुत डार्क शेड को लाइट कर सकते हो, आप लाइटर शेड्स को और मिक्स करके नया शेड बना सकते हो. यू कैन डू just about everything with that lipstick, and that is what I like the most about it. Like makeup artists, and I think all makeup artists do this because my mom does it, so I can like say कि mostly लोग करते ही हैं. They always mix shades. उनके पास अब इतने वैरायटी के लोग आते हैं, इतने लोगों का स्किन टोन अलग होता है, अंडर टोन अलग होता है, सब कुछ अलग होता है. They can't have all the lipsticks handy, right? So they also keep like these shades. And this, like those 2 shades, confident and worthy, I think are the perfect shades when you look at it to mix and match any lipstick. आपको कोई लिपस्टिक लाइट कर दी है, उसको बना दो, आपको उसको यूज कर लो. आपको कोई ओम्ब्रे बनाना है, उसको यूज कर लो. आपको हिंट ऑफ पिंक डालना है बट ओवर पावरिंग नहीं करना, वर्दी पिंक अंडरटोन है. आपको हिंट ऑफ पीच डालना है, ओवर पावरिंग नहीं करना, कॉन्फिडेंट पीच अंडरटोन है. तो जस्ट द आइडिया ऑफ मिक्सिंग makeup, playing with makeup is what was the idea behind launching those colors. तो मैं नहीं चाहती कि लोग सिर्फ सिंपली उठाएं और लगाना शुरू करें. आप थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट करो, थोड़ा प्ले करो उसके साथ, थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करो. अगर आपको मेकअप पसंद है तो आप ऑब्वियसली करोगे वो चीजें. That was the idea behind launching those 2 shades, and I think they are very underrated, like underdogs type के होते हैं ना, जिनको लोगों को पता नहीं है उस बारे में, बट जिन लोगों को पता है वो सिर्फ वही यूज कर रहे हैं. So I feel like they need more credit. They need to be given more credit for the shades that they are, because these are beautifully multi-purpose shades, which if one gets hooked to, I think that's that for them. Like, I am hooked to Worthy.
Like 2 shades है, confident and worthy, उससे आप कितने सारे shades बना सकते हो.
Exactly. मतलब यार हर किसी के पास ब्राउन्स होते हैं, पिंक्स होते हैं, मजेंटास होते हैं, बट उन शेड्स को बैलेंस करने के लिए भी तो कोई शेड चाहिए ना. मान लो आपको किसी दिन वो मजेंटा नहीं पहनना है, एंड यू हैव दिस वन शेड व्हिच यू कैन जस्ट इंस्टेंटली पुट एंड इट बैलेंसेस आउट द एंटायर लुक.
लाइक द एंटायर आउटफिट, उसके साथ हमें नहीं बहुत ज्यादा मैजेंटा चाहिए होता, जस्ट ऐड वर्दी, एक बहुत प्यारा शेड बन जाएगा.
मतलब वही चीज हो गई कि आपने 5 शेड्स रखे हुए हैं, आपके पास 5-6 लिपस्टिक्स है, लेट्स से ज्यादा ही होती हैं यूजुअली लोगों के पास, बट 5-6 लिपस्टिक्स हैं. बट कभी कभी होता है कोई लिपस्टिक आपके आउटफिट के साथ नहीं जाती, और आप कितनी लिपस्टिक्स रखोगे. So those 2 shades are the kind of shades where you just have to, like, you know, set the proportion thoda idhar udhar, and you will be able to get a perfect shade from whatever shades that you already have.
Exactly.
And that is the multi-purpose nature of those shades. And I think more people need to appreciate that, because these are beautiful, beautiful shades.
Are underrated.
Very underrated, actually. Very, very underrated.
What is the one thing you enjoyed throughout?
I think being able to do what I want to do. I think obviously बहुत challenges वगैरह सब हुए, बहुत दिक्कत आई, it was a learning curve. But at the end of the day, I was doing what I had wished of doing. And I think that was the biggest thing for me. Being able to follow my passion, being able to do what I wanted to do, how I wanted to do it. I think मेरे लिए वो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ थी, because while preparing for civil services, बहुत it's very difficult, सब ठीक है, but that was not the reason why I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to do it because I didn't want to do it. मेरा मन ही नहीं था. मेरे को नहीं लगता कि मैं एक गवर्नमेंट जॉब करना चाहती थी कभी भी, या मेरे को नहीं लगता कि I would have enjoyed something like that, because I consider myself a creative person. I like making videos, I like doing creative things, and I think in that profession, if I were to get in, which again obviously everybody knows is very difficult in the first place, but if I were to get in, मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं अपनी लाइफ को fullest live कर पाती, या फिर मैं अपना full potential दिखा पाती. And so just being able to do that, being able to take decisions for my business on my own, having myself to rely on, I think has been the biggest thing that I've enjoyed the most. And I think each day I wake up with this happiness ki I am doing what I want to do, how I want to do it, and nobody's here to tell me that you shouldn't or you can't, or you know, all of these things. So I enjoy this a lot. That's my favorite thing, has been since day one. It's been a year since we started Cheer, and I love every bit of it.
So why did you choose like to do civil services? Like, was it your family's pressure or your...
No pressure, but my dad really wanted me to try, and he was like, beta karke dekho, kar lo. I was like, theek hai, I'll give it a shot. It's very, I will not say that it was a waste of my time or something like that. It was a very valuable experience. You get a lot out of it. I got a lot out of it. I got my anxiety, I got my panic attacks.
Hope you enjoyed our first podcast.
And it was very, very fun talking about how it started. Although I talk about it almost on a daily basis because I'm not able to like believe myself कि ये मैंने actually कर दिया है. But we promise that all the other podcasts will be even more fun, even more insightful, and you will have fun listening to them. Let us know what would you like for us to talk about, and maybe we'll do that in the next podcast. Okay, bye.